Okay, I'm gonna make a cheese baked rice. So first is the aluminum foil. Wrap it to a plate. And we're gonna. So this is the baked rice they have done. So put the baked rice in here. Okay, this is how it's become. After that, I'll boil the water, and this is the chicken. So it's a chicken thigh. I cut it into small chunks. I'm gonna put it into the hot water which I just boiled. So it just like just boil for, let's say, about 2 minutes. Alright, back to the rice. So this is the ham. I've cut into small piece as well, and I'm gonna arrange it to put it on top of the rice. It depends, okay? You can put it as much ham as you want, or you can just yeah, it depends how much of ham that you want. Okay, so after that I prepare some corn. I can add some corn in it. Alright. Okay, so this is chicken that I just boiled in the water, and I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay, so this is how the chicken that I rinsed off, and I add a bit of the ketchup. So this is the amount of, like, I think about like 1 spoon, just to make it a taste. If you feel it's not enough, then you just add in more. I guess the amount is like another 1 more spoon. Alright, we let it sit in there. Now we move to the oven. Okay, so we are at the oven. So the oven here, so basically I'm calibrating it to the power will be up and down, and with the 200s of Celsius power. So right now we just have to wait for it to reach 200 Celsius. Okay, so this is a chicken cube which I have marinated with the mixed together the tomato ketchup sauce. So what I'll do, I'll put it on top of the rice. So just spread across the rice. Okay. All right, nice. So next what I'll do, I will add a bit of Thousand Island. Well, just for a taste. Alright. So additionally, I'm adding extra mayonnaise. Alright. So this is where I will arrange the cheese for the final topping. I'm using the cheese spread, the cheese slice as a base. Okay, this is all the cheese slice. So lastly, this will be the mozzarella cheese for the topping, the final ingredient. Yum. I'm gonna spread it across. Okay, this is how it has become. So you can see full of cheese. Much is big rice, much is big rice. It's very, very heavy. Okay, now prepare to go into the oven. Right. Set it in. Okay, I'm gonna set my minutes to 15 minutes. Alright, and with 180 Celsius. So this is how it is. See you soon.